Hello again, and welcome to the 7th week of this course. We are now at the drafting stage of writing the research paper. You created an outline of your thesis, 3 main points, and at least one opposing view last week for the Unit 6 individual project. This week you will begin writing the rough draft. In your main post for the Unit 7 discussion board assignment, you will draft the 3 body paragraphs, your 3 main points, and incorporate information from sources to support those points. Incorporating information from sources with your own ideas is often the most difficult part of writing a research paper. You may want to complete 2 specific IntelliPath lessons before you write your main post. They are organizing notes and synthesizing sources, and how to incorporate source information with your own ideas. In addition to your main post, you must also reply to your peers. You will read your classmates' 3 body paragraphs and provide constructive feedback. This is a great opportunity to help your classmates make stronger arguments and let them know what they've done well. 2 IntelliPath lessons that can help you make the most out of giving your peers feedback and receiving their feedback are giving feedback, the peer review, and accepting criticism and applying feedback. A few final thoughts on the Unit 7 discussion board assignment are to include APA in-text citations and a list of references, make your main post and 2 replies by the due date. Posts made after the due date will not be graded. Have a productive week and reach out to your instructor if you have any questions or concerns.